Hey guys, John here, your favorite pool park pool care professional. Today we're going to be teaching you guys how to get algae off the bottom of your pool. Step 1 is to test your pool water and add adjustment chemicals as needed to make it proper. Step 2 is going to be to brush all of that algae off the bottom of your pool. It's already looking better. Another thing that I would recommend is to do nice, even, and consistent strokes so that way you get the full brushing on the bottom the whole way through. Alrighty, now that your pool is brushed and balanced chemically, let's begin to add our liquid shock, or granular if you prefer. We will also be making sure that we add the proper amount for your size pool and volume in gallons of water. Alrighty, step 4, we're going to be using Pool Park brand Special Blend Inhibit Algaecide. If you're unsure what algaecide to use, make sure you contact your pool care professionals. Finally, we're going to be running our pump and filter as much as possible to help clear up this algae problem. Make sure you backwash as needed. In addition to our treatments, we're also going to be running our dolphin today, which you can pick up in store at Pool Park today. Some green tints in the pool can also be a result of high copper levels. Make sure you guys get your water tested today at your local pool store.
The next day.
And just like that, good as new. All you need to do is follow those simple instructions. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you visit us. Thank you.